This is a 44-inch Hampton Bay Clarkston ceiling fan that is in my bedroom. Um, these blades are reversible with cherry finish blades and maple finish. The glass that the lights have, the light glass is made out of amber. Well, not real amber, it's fake. It looks like it has an amber color, and this is a brass fan, antique brass. And yeah, it's a nice fan. It keeps me cool at night. Medium speed is what I use when the AC is on. Low speed is what I use when I'm cold, and high speed is what I use when the AC is not on. Okay, I got this fan for like, sorry about the excessive wobbling, excessive, camera shaking. Sorry, that was my door squeak. This fan, I got it for 60 bucks at Home Depot, or $59.97. You could say the full price, or you could round it to the nearest price. Okay, so here's the wall control over here. Sorry for the Power Rangers posters, just that I'm a Power Ranger fan. Be sure to check out my channel for any Power Rangers, Samurai, Power Rangers, Samurai videos. I posted like, I don't know how much, but I posted a few amount. I'm not going to post anymore because I don't want I don't want YouTube to close down my channel because I keep on posting too much. So yeah, I'm not gonna upload anymore. Okay, so Hunter, this is a Hunter wall control. You probably must have seen it in my grandmother's bedroom. See, this means off, low, medium, high. 3-speed wall control, dimmer. This is a dimmer, and if you want to turn it off, it has to make this sound. It has to make that sound so you know it's turned off fully. Let me do it one more time. Okay, so yeah, it's a nice wall control, but it kind of gets really annoying with my CFLs. See, I have CFLs in here. They are 7-watt. Hold on 1 second. They are 7-watt Ultratech 240 lumen daylight bulbs. So, and they're chandelier style, as you can see, because they look like candles in my fan. I got them because of the style. And these are the light bulbs that replaced my 14-watt EcoSmart daylight light bulbs that I showed you in my grandmother's fan. So yeah, these are the new light bulbs. After I'm gonna go to the Lowe's website and see how much we paid for it. For the fan. What's the word? This fan's from Home Depot, by the way. It's for the bulbs, the light bulbs. Okay, so, here we go. Okay, so now we search. Over here we put Ultratech. Let me just put Ultratech Chandelier. I probably must have spelled it wrong. There. Here, it's loading. There we go. Let me just search again. Ultratech Candelabra. Let me just, oh gosh. Let me put Ultratech Candelabra. There, I found it. What the heck? Okay, I need to type in Candelabra CFLs. Candelabra CF. So annoying. Candelabra CFLs. There. There has to be some. There has to be results for this. There, I found it. Bright white. Here we go. This is the one. This is the one I got, and this is the here. Ultratech 7-watt, 40-watt candelabra base daylight decorative CFL bulb. See? I wonder how much this costs, by the way. Oh no, it doesn't. It doesn't list the price. Okay. I think it was like $7, but if you're not sure, just check the website. Check the check the Lowe's website, because this tablet's annoying. And yeah, this is the tablet, Toshiba Thrive tablet that I showed you. And I'm sorry I've been talking and not showing you the fan. Alright, so let's start on the fan speeds, and then I will show you the light bulbs. Alright, here's low speed. Let me go on to the other side so you can see the fan better. Yeah, you can feel a breeze on low speed, but it's really not that great on low speed. If you want more results, turn it on medium speed. Okay, medium speed. And I think I got that poster, the Power Rangers poster, for a reason. One, because I love Power Rangers, and I put it there for the second reason, because the electrician had to drill holes for the fan outlet. So the fan speed is increasing. See, there's my Avengers poster. Okay. And now for the best of all results, high speed. See there? As you can see, it's going really well. And let me show you the pull chain of my fan and the light bulbs. Okay. Sorry about that. You can hear the roaring a little bit, but it doesn't roar as much as my grandma's ceiling fan. You can hear that. Hear the bulbs. Pull chain says the Hampton Bay this time. It doesn't say Hampton Bay. Alright, so I'll turn it back on after I'm done with this. Alright, so yeah. Let me take out the light bulb. See, as you can see, my fan has a candelabra base. It came with 3 40-watt clear bulbs. So yeah. And here's the light bulb itself. Ultratech 7-watt, 120 vac, 60 hertz, 110 mA, 260 lumens. It's 260. And look at this base. Okay, so let me put the bulb back into the fixture. The fan. I got these because it looks really decorative and it doesn't put out too much light. Here, let me turn this fan back on. Later on, I'll show you the color and then the effect. See, it's a really good fan if you, yeah. Like I said, it's a good fan. I recommend it for small rooms only. But I made a mistake getting this fan. I should have gotten the 48-inch Hunter Discovery ceiling fan, but I just wanted a Hampton base. So here's the hugger. I don't really like it, but well, why should I care about how it looks like? All I care about is the amount of breeze it the fan produces. So let me show you the top part. It's really hard because the fan's like onto the ceiling, like, see? Ceiling. There. Fan slowing down. Okay. I'm glad this doesn't have a bowl-shaped light kit. I got this fan because I didn't want a bowl-shaped light kit because it's hard to change the light bulbs. It makes life difficult changing the light bulbs with the bowl-shaped light kit. Okay, let me show you the top blades. I don't know what the top finish is though. Let me see. Oh, the top blades are cherry and this part's maple. I think, or this is cherry and this is maple. I'm not pretty sure, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna turn on the light for you guys. I'm on my bed, so I have to reach up pretty high for the chain. There. It's buzzing a little bit because of my dimmer. Let me close the blinds for you so you can see the lights a little better. There we go. Now I can see the lights pretty well. So yeah, let me get back on the bed. Sorry about that, guys. Here we go. Bulb 1, bulb 2, and bulb 3. Actually, this is bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3. Listen to this. You can hear the buzz pretty well, so yeah. Let me polish the lens real quick. There's my eye home. Okay, here we go. Back to high speed. Let me show you the effect now. You can't see the effect really well. It's not really that great. I'm sorry, but just, oh look, now it's looking really swell. It stops at the right and then goes at the left. Listen to the roaring. Okay, so yeah, let me turn this fan off. There's the light. One more time. And I should have just kept the the incandescent, because it goes really well with the color of the incandescent go really well with the amber, but all I care about is saving electricity. I don't want to waste the electricity. That's why I got CFLs. Okay? Look at that. Alright, that's it, guys. Wait, let me turn this on and turn off from the wall control. Okay, so let me open the blinds. Open the blinds. Look at this, now you can see it, the effect good. Alright, so now let me turn off the light and the fan. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and stay tuned for another ceiling fan episode. Alright guys, sorry I have to go, but this video is getting too long, so peace out, and I'll be back with more ceiling fan videos at stores, at restaurants, pretty much all those places. So alright, bye guys, see you next time.